Gyagargi Haryana ngadinang tu tenshi chebe M3M Foundation she nyamta shenyu rogyor tepsi chidar soba tabashi tering pumilana mebe uti chinor kongsa kyamgun chumbu chogi tepsa te leg nemo wa zoebe lobchu chang gyad nishu tsamla kalub lamdön tang kandri kongur shuba kala kalen tsewa tang ta tengi tusu semgi shidi tuntab nang kuyu ke chimbu yinba gaze ze song.
Karuna, ahimsa. They practice karuna, actually real inner strength. Karuna there. Firstly, you get inner peace, and with inner peace, self-confidence.
Teya tering chinda nyebe tse nishu tsabge te pyoge namro sarbe tse gu nyingi nga zho chazu gube to jinor konsa kyamka chumbu cho sugar tekjen choling zula kangi sungchwe rawe to chibgyur kadin ze te Haryana nangtu tenshi chebe tepza te legi nemo wa zobe loma namla tuk zewa chumbu kalub kadin zewa te ne losar je gombu kanyi chogi tekjen choling zula kangi kyambi zerin thoma te yimbare. Konsa kyamka chumbu chogi kapter gombu kanyi cho kuna chungdu ne nangbe chogi semkam rigbe labshir sensam lobnyar zede chola gyumzen dembar shimju gyu shide papeb nga ne shimba mase debe longu chuta gashe ring nubcho be tserik batang shenyun jen namdang lendu semkam rigba tang semgi shide to choleng zegyu kogab chungwatar gombu kanyi ne zamling na semgi shide gombe zegyu tuta tsangje yinche gazewa mase tengi tusu chingubo yarge tang nang semgi shide nyi nyamdu drokyo batang lakbar tu riglu tang chuluk soki yenje tang gochun peche soki samlo te torde zamling dishin shide da demba shik tun koge yinba kalub lamdun ze song.
When I was very young, 4 or 5 years old, already start learn about mind, about emotion. And try to develop peace of mind, not just a prayer, but thinking.
Kapter tadung choshu wa chiki tering diga lobchu mangbo yobarten tedagi mitse tünden yongwe kalub lamdun shubar konsa chogi lobchu sola migne nganzo changma zamling di teng nyamne che kyobatang lakbar tu kole chadru peshin yobarten rangi chigbu samlo tangyu de torne shengi che tu samlo tong kyoge yinba lamdun ze song.
So now, instead of saying I, it's much better. Feel we 7 to 8 billion human beings, we are same human species, and we sharing same world. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the climate condition also now becomes serious. So such occasion now. And no use to think we and they and making weapon fighting outdated. We have to live together.
Masi soshu bachigi rangi gi sem kongpe tongcho te lamdun shubar gombu kanyi chogi jir sem gi chobar yagdu naso yurung lo chongdar tang jeba chebe tohne sangbyo cha te nyamsu lang kyo batang jisum gi te nyamsu lang na te tsam gi sem marung li cha te da nyamisu dugyu yinbe lamdun ze song.
Think about negative side, anger is more irritation. So just analyze, like you say, analyze material thing. Now similarly here, analyze different emotion. Those emotion which really brings inner peace, that is positive. Try to familiarize, then day by day, week by week, month by month, these emotion increasing. the positive emotion increasing, automatically negative emotion become weaker and weaker.
I have a question. Can I hug you?
Okay.
It's a question.
Ka, Korean.
It was amazing meeting His Holiness, and I think it's a really great experience meeting someone.
Terin kumilana mebe uti chinor konsa kyamgun chumbu chogi jega toba kadru pame topchung konsa chogi tengi tuiso kyogo hajang chewe shidei kalup tang lakbardu ngazu sangma zamling di to nami tabu nyamne cha kyoge sogi kalup lamduen pebar tsuwa chabu chungsong.
It was a really good experience overall.
I'm Dr. Payal Kanodia, trustee M3M Foundation. We've been working in Dharamshala on this skill center which we started last year. And
Chinor konsa kyamgun chumbu chogi jega toba kyewa hajang sambu chung lakbardu kong tabu kedu pabi kyewu jegu te tsuwa chabu kye chung te yune rangi gi sem deshin shide pagpep tang tsuwa hajang kibu chung. Shize M3 Foundation she nyamta shenyu rogyor tepza ni chilo nidong chogu lor tongmar sarzu nawa shegi yinba tang tepza te gyagar nangi shenyu ki kogab pongwe lopchu teda ki shenyu rogyor tsuebe chweden tang sobe tungen deshin kuryu songyob to chale nangken ki jiso shabshu soba shek yinba
absolutely
dedu.
cannot, express how I feel getting blessed by him. Thank you.